It's Policy Point again, and today we're delving into the world of CCTV hacking. These unblinking eyes are everywhere, observing us in our homes, at the grocery store, and on every street corner. Closed-circuit television, better known as CCTV, has become an integral part of our daily lives, playing a crucial role in maintaining our security. But what if these silent watchers are turned into puppets in the hands of cyber criminals? As we delve into the intriguing realm of CCTV hacking, we'll explore how these systems designed to keep us safe can be manipulated and used against us, from reconnaissance to actual infiltration. We'll walk you through the process, but remember, this information is for educational purposes only from Policy Point to help you understand and protect against such threats. So let's dive in and see what happens when the observers become the observed. Reconnaissance is frequently the first step in CCTV hacking. This stage is all about gathering as much information as possible about the target. Hackers use tools like Shodan or Senses, which are essentially search engines for devices connected to the internet. These tools help to locate unprotected cameras by scanning for IP addresses and open ports, revealing devices that are reachable over the internet. This is a world where digital footprints matter. Every device connected to the internet leaves a trace, a bit like leaving the lights on at home when you go out. It's a beacon for those who know what to look for, and unfortunately, many CCTV systems are not as secure as they should be, making them easy targets. Once a target has been located, the real fun begins. But remember, we're discussing this from an educational perspective. The aim is to understand these techniques to better protect ourselves from them. The second step is breaking in. Often, by using the system's default passwords, you'd be surprised at how often this works. Many systems are left with their factory settings intact, which often means usernames like admin and passwords that are as simple as 1234. It's like leaving your front door unlocked, inviting anyone who stumbles upon it to step right in. When the low-hanging fruit has been picked, hackers then turn to more sophisticated methods. They use tools designed to exploit vulnerabilities in digital video recorder or DVR systems. These are systems that record security camera footage, and they are often linked to the internet for remote access. This is where tools like CamOver and CamRaptor come into play. CamOver is an automated tool that allows hackers to check for common vulnerabilities in CCTV and DVRs. It's like having a master key to a building able to open any door that hasn't been properly secured. CamRaptor, on the other hand, is a more aggressive tool. It's designed to brute force its way into systems by rapidly guessing different combinations of usernames and passwords until it finds a match. It's like a thief picking a lock, trying every possible combination until they find the right one. Now, you might be thinking that these tools sound dangerous, and you're right, but they're also double-edged swords. While they can be used for nefarious purposes, they can also be used by cybersecurity professionals to test the strength of a system. By knowing the tricks of the trade, these professionals can better defend against them, just like a bank might hire a former thief to test their security. Cybersecurity professionals can use these tools to find and fix vulnerabilities before they're exploited by criminal hackers. But hacking isn't just about breaking in, it's also about staying in. Once a hacker has gained access, they'll want to ensure they can maintain it. That's where the real game begins, and we'll dive into that in the next scene. Ethical hackers use the same tools and techniques to test and fortify security. Now, this may sound like a paradox, but it's a crucial aspect of cybersecurity. You see, ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, involves professionals who use their skills to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities in systems rather than exploit them, just as a locksmith uses his knowledge of lock mechanisms to keep burglars out. Ethical hackers use their understanding of hacking tactics to strengthen security in the context of CCTV systems. They use tools like Shodan Senses, CamOver, and CamRaptor not to intrude, but to find weak spots that could be exploited by malicious hackers. Once these vulnerabilities are identified, they are addressed and reinforced, making the system more robust and secure. This process is called penetration testing, or pen testing, and it's a standard practice in cybersecurity. Think of it as a simulated cyber attack, where the goal is to find and fix weaknesses before they can be exploited by actual threats. Let's not forget, the objective here is to secure, not to harm, as we navigate through the digital age. CCTV systems continue to play a crucial role in maintaining security and order, but as with any technology, they can also be misused. By understanding the tactics used by cyber criminals, we can develop more effective security measures and keep our CCTV systems safe from malicious attacks. So whether you're a business owner looking to safeguard your premises, a homeowner wanting to protect your property, or just an individual interested in cybersecurity, understanding the principles of ethical hacking is a valuable asset. It's the first step towards a more secure digital world. Remember, cybersecurity is about protection, not harm. By learning and understanding the tactics used by both ethical and malicious hackers, we can help build a safer digital space for everyone. It's a continuous battle, but with knowledge and vigilance, we can keep one step ahead of the threats. That brings us to the end of today's journey into the world of CCTV hacking. We dove deep into the underbelly underbelly of the digital world, where the watchers become the watched. We've seen how hackers use tools like Shodan and Census to locate unprotected cameras and exploit default passwords, but we've also discovered how these same tools can be wielded by ethical hackers to reinforce security and keep the bad guys out. We've demystified the concept of CCTV hacking, shedding light on the techniques used by both cybercriminals and cybersecurity experts. In a world increasingly reliant on digital technologies, understanding these processes is crucial. Remember, cybersecurity is about protection, not harm. Awareness of potential threats and vulnerabilities is our strongest defense. If you want to learn more about maintaining the security of your digital life, like, share, and subscribe to Policy Points. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay connected to our next video.